Welcome back to Listopia Central. We're diving into the magic of Christmas with the top 15 most iconic Christmas trees in the world. Each one tells a unique story, whether through its dazzling lights, rich history, or jaw-dropping design. Stick around to discover what makes these trees the stars of the season. At number 15, we have Bethlehem Christmas tree in Israel. Nestled in Manger Square, near the Church of the Nativity, this tree holds unmatched spiritual significance. Decorated with glowing lights and symbols of peace, it attracts pilgrims and visitors from across the globe. Why is the Bethlehem Christmas tree special? This tree celebrates the birthplace of Jesus Christ, marking it as the symbolic heart of Christmas. Every year, the lighting ceremony is accompanied by music, prayer, and hope for unity. At number 14, we have Zocalo Christmas tree in Mexico City. Standing tall in Mexico City's bustling central square, this vibrant tree celebrates the country's love for color and tradition. With brilliant lights, known for its bold colors, intricate patterns, and cultural designs, it's a fiesta for the eyes. Why is this tree special? It's not just the tree, it's the centerpiece of a massive Christmas festival featuring parades, live music, and even fireworks. At number 13, we have Puerta del Sol Christmas tree in Madrid, Spain. In the heart of Spain's capital, this modern tree is known for its slick, geometric design and dazzling LED lights. It's a perfect mix of tradition and innovation, reflecting Madrid's contemporary vibes. Why is it special? This tree is also the backdrop for Spain's New Year's Eve countdown, making it a symbol of both holiday cheer and fresh beginnings. At number 12, we have the Vilnius Christmas tree in Lithuania. This Baltic beauty in Cathedral Square is a showstopper, often blending traditional designs with modern LED artistry. Each year, it reinvents itself with creative themes, from futuristic displays to eco-friendly designs. Why is it special? Vilnius tree regularly ranks among Europe's best, drawing tourists to experience its blend of creativity and tradition, surrounded by festive Christmas market, offering local crafts and treats. At number 11, we have Tivoli Gardens Christmas tree in Copenhagen, Denmark. Tivoli Gardens transforms into a winter wonderland during the holidays with this tree as its centerpiece. Surrounded by snow-dusted paths and charming wooden stalls, it's a postcard-perfect scene. Why is it special? Located in Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks, Tivoli's tree captures the cozy essence of a Scandinavian Christmas, complete with sparkling lights and a magical scene. At number 10, we have Martin Place Christmas tree from Sydney, Australia. Sydney may celebrate Christmas in the summer, but this tree keeps the festive spirit cool. Adorned with native Australian flowers and over 110,000 LED lights, it's a sun-soaked holiday delight. Why is it special? The tree blends traditional Christmas cheer with unique Aussie flair, proving that the holidays shine bright down under. It features nightly light and sound shows, drawing massive crowds. At number 9, we have Tokyo Christmas tree in Tokyo, Japan. Known for its breathtaking technology, Tokyo's Christmas trees are like no other. High-tech LED lights and interactive displays create a futuristic holiday experience. Why it's special? These trees often merge Japanese culture with Western traditions, reflecting the beauty of global influence. At number 8, we have Strasbourg Christmas tree, France. Strasbourg, the capital of Christmas, boasts a tree that's as rich in history as it is in decoration. Towering over the city's famous Christmas market, it's a beacon of Alsatian culture. Why is it special? It's surrounded by Europe's oldest Christmas market, making it a symbol of holiday traditions that date back centuries. At number 7, we have Galeries Lafayette tree, Paris, France. Inside the iconic Galeries Lafayette, this tree is a masterpiece of Parisian elegance. Every year, the theme changes, featuring extravagant designs like chandeliers, floral ornaments, or even futuristic styles. Why is it special? Its luxurious setting under a stunning glass dome adds an extra layer of magic to the holiday season. Coming up at number 6, we have Gubbio Christmas tree in Italy. This isn't just a tree. It's an entire mountain lit up to resemble a Christmas tree. With over 700 colored lights on Mountain Gino, this display is a Guinness World Record holder. This isn't just a tree. It's an entire mountain lit up to resemble a Christmas tree. With over 700 colored lights on Mountain Gino, this display is a Guinness World Record holder. At number 5, we have Rio de Janeiro floating tree, Brazil. Standing tall on Rodrigo de Frida's lagoon, this floating tree is a spectacle like no other. This tree floats majestically on water. Each year, it features synchronized dazzling light shows with music, creating a mesmerizing display. Why is it special? It holds the Guinness World Record for the largest floating Christmas tree, and it celebrates Brazil's unique summer holiday season with a vibrant energy. At number 4, we have National Christmas Tree, Washington, D.C., USA. Located near the White House, this live tree is surrounded by smaller trees representing each U.S. state and territory. The lighting ceremony includes music and presidential address. Why is it special? It's a symbol of national unity, bringing the whole country together for the holidays. At number 3, we have Vatican Christmas tree in Vatican City. This towering evergreen in St. Peter's Square is selected from different regions each year. Its religious-themed decorations reflect the true meaning of Christmas for many. Why is it special? Blessed by the Pope, it serves as a spiritual reminder of the season's origins. At number 2, we have Trafalgar Square Christmas tree in London, United Kingdom. Since 1947, Norway has gifted this tree to the United Kingdom as a thank you for its support during World War II. Its vertical white lights are a nod to traditional Nordic style. Why is it special? It symbolizes international friendship and goodwill during the holidays. And at the top of our list at number 1, we have Rockefeller Center Christmas tree, New York, USA. The most iconic Christmas tree in the world. This giant Norway spruce is adorned with over 50,000 lights and Swarovski crystal star. The tree has been a New York tradition since 1933. Why is it special? The lighting ceremony is a globally televised event, drawing millions of viewers each year. After the holidays, the tree is donated to the Habitat for Humanity. That's it for our countdown of the top 15 Christmas trees in the world. Which tree was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting top lists here on Listopia Central. We've got some amazing videos coming up, and we don't want you to miss a single one. See you next time, and happy holidays.